Well, volunteers just finished their annual homeless count in Pasadena. KCAL News reporter Tina Patel looks at what this means in the effort to end the homeless crisis.
When Pasadena had a homeless count last year, there were just over 500 people living on the streets. City officials didn't know if that number had gone up or down over the last year. That's why they had this count. So volunteers, dozens of them, spread around the city last night and again this morning, walking and driving to see if they could find people sleeping in their cars or out on the street. They made contact with as many individuals as they could to find out more about who they are, how they ended up in Pasadena, and what services they might need. The volunteers also handed out bags that had personal items like socks, toiletries, hand warmers, and they let them know that there is a public health department here that can administer Narcan as well as COVID vaccines and flu shots. We talked to one man who has been living in his car the last couple of years. He says from what he can tell, there are more people in need in this city.
Man, they just keep coming out of the woodwork. So I don't know where they're coming from or where they sleep at, but man, I mean, I'm seeing new faces now.
We need more help. So this is an important day for us to get a snapshot in time, and people have to recognize it really is a snapshot in time, but it's an important snapshot in time.
That was the mayor of Pasadena that we talked to earlier this morning. He says it's important to have accurate numbers so they can allocate funding and make sure that the programs that they're working on are helping those in need. He says even though Pasadena does not have the homeless population that bigger cities like Los Angeles do, even one person without a place to live, he says that's too many. In Pasadena, Tina Patel, KCAL News.